A very good morning. I am today in Nonthaburi, one of the famous temples, the Wat Gua Kwan, one of the famous and biggest temples of Nonthaburi. And this temple is beautiful, so that's why I make a video to show you how beautiful and how big this temple is. I didn't know there was a big temple here, but I saw it on the internet, so I say, well, I must make a video from this. So sit back and relax and watch. It's so beautiful to see how people the whole life busy with Buddhism. It's very nice. And this is also the place where the funerals. You see here, they put here the ash from the family. And they've also cows here. And you see a lot of people are working here in this temple. But did you know there are 50,000 temples in Thailand? Nearly on every corner you find a temple. And every temple is also a place where people come together. Now we're coming to the most beautiful part of this complex. And that's the real temple. It's amazing. And so huge and so big. There is also a cave where we have temple also inside. And I see a lot of temples in Bangkok, but not a temple like this, where they gave So I want to show you this first. Then we go to the big temple of the whole complex. You see a small part. And this temple is also a beautiful garden. But this temple is amazing. Everything is gold. The wall is clean. So I'll show you the inside temple. What do you think? Beautiful or not? I think there are beautiful temples in Bangkok, but also here. But and outside the temple. Yes, again, beautiful place. All the temples are beautiful, decorated here. And everywhere you find Buddhas. Yeah, this is the outside. Look at the home here. And I should for you. Here for this cultivation. And of course, a very nice Buddha. And as we know, Buddhism is a very big part of the Thai people. That's why they are who they are. Hier. Hallo. I want to show you another part that you have. This is another part of the temple. Also very nice. But I want to go to the other part, temple. That's really amazing. There is a big Buddha here. On the parking garage. And I want to show you. There's a parking garage near the temple. And there you see biggest temple and a beautiful Buddha. It's really incredible. And there you see the skyline of Bangkok. So you're not really far from Bangkok. So I hope you like this walking tour from this beautiful temple in Nonthaburi. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye!